Hello everyone, I am Aishi Datta from iExpo. The topic which we are going to learn today is stomata. There are certain parts in all green plants which are essential and play a critical role in different life process. Stomata is one of the essential part that is involved in gaseous exchange. There are thousands of stomata on the surface of the leaves. Most of these are found on the lower side of the leaves. What are stomata? Stomata are the tiny openings present on the epidermis of leaves. We can see stomata under the light microscope. In some of the plants, stomata are present on stems and other parts of the plant. Stomata play an important role in gaseous exchange and photosynthesis. They control by transpiration rate, by opening and closing. Types of stomata. There are different types of stomata and they are mainly classified based on their number of characteristics of the surrounding subsidiary cells. Listed below are the different types of stomata. Anomocytic stomata. They are surrounded by epidermal cells which have a fixed shape and size. The stomata appear to be embedded in epidermal cell. There is no definite number and arrangement of cells surrounding the stomata. Anisocytic stomata. Stomata are surrounded by three subsidiary cells having unequal sizes. One is smaller compared to the other two. Dicytic stomata. The stomata are surrounded by a pair of subsidiary cells that are perpendicular to the guard cell. Parasitic stomata. The stomata are continuously surrounded by two subsidiaries which are arranged parallel to the stomatal pore and the guard cell. Gramineous stomata. Each stomata possesses two guard cells which are shaped like dumbbells. The subsidiary cells are parallel to the guard cells. The guard cells are found narrow in the middle and wider at the end. Structure of stomata. The stomata consist of minute pores called stoma surrounded by a pair of guard cells. Stomata open and close according to the turgidity of guard cells. The cell wall surrounding the pore is tough and flexible. The shape of guard cells usually differ in both monocots and dicots, though the mechanism continues to be the same. Guard cells are bean-shaped and contains chloroplast. They contain chlorophyll and capture light energy. The subsidiary cells surround the guard cells. They are the accessory cells to the guard cells and are found in the epidermis of plants. They are present between guard cells and epidermal cells and protect epidermal cells when the guard cells expand during stomatal opening. The average number of stomata is about 300 per square millimeter of the leaf surface. Distribution of stomata in the lower and upper surface of the leaves. The table given explain the total number of stomata present on the upper and lower surface of the leaves of different plants. From this, we can conclude that dicots have more stomata on the lower surface, whereas monocots have stomata distributed equally on both the surface of the leaves. Here in the table, we can see the number of stomata on the upper surface and lower surface of monocotyledon, which are wheat, barley, and onion, and dicotyledon, which are sunflower, alfalfa, and geranium. Functions of stomata. The main functions of stomata are gaseous exchange, stomatal opening and closure help in the gaseous exchange between the plant and surrounding. It helps in transpiration and removal of the excess water in the form of water vapor. Stomatal closure at night prevents water from escaping through the pores. It maintains the moisture balance according to weather by opening and closing. Stomata facilitate carbon dioxide uptake and release of oxygen during the process of photosynthesis. Opening and closing of stomata. The opening and closing of stomata depends on the turgor pressure caused by the osmotic flow of water in the guard cell. When the guard cells are turgid, they expand, resulting in the opening of stomata. When the guard cell lose water, they become flaccid, leading to stomatal closure. Stomata normally open when the light strikes the leaf and closes during the night. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, you can go and watch the other uploaded videos. Thank you.